Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how do I print two or multiple pages on one sheet. Friends, if you want to print two or more pages on one sheet, then you can very easily do it in MS Word software. Now I will open a Word file. Now this Word file have four images in four pages. One image on each page. So now we will print two pages on one sheet. For that you need to click on file. Now here click on print. Now here you need to click on this small arrow and you need to select two pages per sheet. Now click on print. I am using a PDF printer. Now as you can see, it has placed two pages on each sheet. Friends, like this you can very easily print two or multiple pages on one sheet. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.